Well, now it's October 31st, 2011. It's almost 10 minutes before 8 a.m. Here we go, some birds. I just want to get the temperature because everything is frozen outside. We still have no electricity, and we probably won't have it for a while. What else do we have down here? Squirrels. They're eating. We always feed them, so now we have to feed them up here. We feed them out in the back, but I don't know. Can you see how shiny it is? Oh, that's the deck. Oh, it's cleaned up from yesterday. Hey, the sun's coming out. How come it's oh yeah, there we go. Okay, I just want to get the temperature, so it's about 25, 26 degrees. Let's get it over here. No wonder I cannot warm up the house a little bit. I have no heat, but I will some water. And hey, what do you want? Anything else faltering tonight? Still a mess out here. Oh no. There you go. Hey. I guess not. Oh boy. What's one? Oh yeah, let me get, let's see if we can get, oh no. There we go. No, it doesn't light up. Not when I do it like this. Alright, there you go. Monday, October 31st, 2011, 10 minutes before 8. Oh man. I guess the cleanup is going to start today around here. There was a few blocks, like 2 blocks away from here, one tree is laying across the road, and the sun is just coming up. There you go. There's the shed. Okay, oh no, how can it be so long? 2:38 minutes? I don't want to make them too long. There we go. And there you go. Well, you can't see it that good from here. And we had an early snowstorm. Hey, there's another bird. Oh, it's not sharp. There you go. There you go. Well, there's a squirrel behind there. Okay, so I'll stop it here. So